Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to avoid gift card activation scams step by step. Step 1. Purchase gift cards only from official retailers. Avoid third-party sellers or unknown websites, as they may sell compromised or fraudulent cards. Step 2. Check the card packaging and security features. Make sure the protective coating on physical cards is intact and the card hasn't been tampered with. Step 3. Never share your gift card code publicly. Scammers often ask for the code via email, phone, or messaging apps. Keep it private to protect your funds. Step 4. Verify the official activation channels. Use the issuer's website or official customer service number for activation. Do not follow suspicious links sent via email or social media. Step 5. Ignore urgent or threatening requests. Scammers often claim you must activate or pay immediately to avoid penalties. Legitimate gift cards do not require this. Step 6. Keep records of your purchase. Save your receipt, card information, and any email confirmations. These can help you report issues or prove ownership if something goes wrong. Step 7. Monitor your balance after activation. Regularly check your gift card balance through the official platform to ensure no unauthorized use has occurred. That's it. Following these steps helps you stay safe and avoid gift card activation scams. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more simple and helpful step-by-step guides.